Eiffel Tower, a Parisian icon through time. In the heart of Paris, the Eiffel Tower stands as a symbol of innovation and romance. But do you know its remarkable history? Constructed for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with mixed reactions from Parisians and artists alike. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, the tower was intended to showcase France's engineering prowess on the world stage. Standing at 324 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure until the Chrysler Building in New York surpassed it in 1930. Despite early criticism, the Eiffel Tower quickly became a beloved icon, drawing millions of visitors from around the globe. The tower consists of 18,038 individual iron parts held together by 2.5 million rivets, demonstrating the marvels of 19th century engineering. Initially, the Eiffel Tower was going to be dismantled after 20 years, but its value as a radio transmission tower saved it from demolition. During World War II, the tower's lift cables were cut, and it remained closed to the public. However, it continued to serve important communication purposes. The Eiffel Tower has undergone numerous renovations, including a complete repaint every 7 years to preserve its majestic appearance. Each night, it sparkles with 20,000 light bulbs, offering a magical sight and a testament to its enduring allure. Today, the Eiffel Tower remains an enduring symbol of French culture and architectural brilliance, known and loved worldwide. Its history is a fascinating blend of controversy, resilience, and triumph, making it much more than just an iron structure.